In this vacation destination video, we head to Three Oaks, Michigan, near the shoreline in the southwest corner of the state. New Buffalo is also nearby. But before we stopped off there, we drove to Grand Rapids to check out the new amphitheater called Acrisure Amphitheater near downtown for a 2-night blockbuster concert by Dave Matthews. After the quick stop in Grand Rapids, we're off to our original destination. Just under 4 hours from central Ohio sits one of southwest Michigan's hidden gems, Three Oaks. At first glance, it looks like a quiet Midwestern town. Tree-lined streets, historic brick buildings, and fewer than 2,000 residents. But beneath its small town charm is a fascinating history that stretches back more than 170 years. Today we're exploring Three Oaks, Michigan, a town that's become one of Harbor Country's favorite weekend destinations. Three Oaks was first settled in 1850 by Henry Chamberlain during the rapid westward expansion of the United States. At the time, the area was mostly dense forest and farmland. Originally, the settlement was known as Chamberlain Siding, named after its founder and its location along an important railroad line. As trains passed through the area, conductors began using 3 massive oak trees near the tracks as a landmark. Eventually, the growing community adopted the name Three Oaks, and when the post office opened in 1854, the name officially stuck. Ironically, none of those original oak trees survive today. The last disappeared more than a century ago. The railroad transformed this little farming community into an important shipping center for grain, lumber, and produce throughout southwest Michigan. By 1867, Three Oaks officially became an incorporated village. One of the biggest reasons Three Oaks prospered was an inventor named Edward Kirk Warren. He founded the Warren Featherbone Company, which created an innovative material made from turkey feathers. The product replaced whalebone in women's corsets and clothing, making garments lighter, cheaper, and more comfortable. The company became internationally successful, employing hundreds of workers and helping transform Three Oaks into one of southwest Michigan's manufacturing centers during the late 1800s. Many of the historic factory buildings still stand today and have been beautifully restored into shops, galleries, restaurants, and event spaces. For a village of fewer than 2,000 people, Three Oaks has an impressive list of claims to fame. The town hosts one of America's largest Flag Day celebrations every June, drawing thousands of visitors from across the region. If the downtown looks familiar, you may have seen it before. The 1989 Christmas movie, Prancer, was filmed largely here, giving the village a place in holiday movie history. Three Oaks is also home to the annual Apple Cider Century, one of the Midwest's largest cycling events, where thousands of riders tackle routes through Michigan's countryside every September. Today, Three Oaks has reinvented itself as an arts and tourism destination while still preserving its historic character. Downtown is filled with locally owned boutiques, art galleries, cafes, and restaurants, making it an easy place to spend an afternoon simply wandering the streets. One of the town's biggest attractions is Journeyman Distillery, located inside a beautifully restored historic factory. It's become one of Michigan's best-known craft distilleries and serves food, whiskey, bourbon, and cocktails in a setting that preserves the building's industrial history. Journeyman Distillery also boasts an enormous putting green with 18 different holes that folks can play at their leisure in a very fun setting, sometimes in front of live music. Nearby, the Acorn hosts concerts, comedy, theater performances, and live music throughout the year inside another renovated historic building. Nature lovers have plenty to explore as well. Just outside town is Warren Woods State Park, home to one of Michigan's last remaining old-growth beech maple forest, where some trees are more than 300 years old. And only a few miles away, visitors can relax along the beaches of Lake Michigan, making Three Oaks an ideal base for exploring Michigan's beautiful southwest shoreline. Three Oaks may be small, but that's part of its charm. It's a town where history meets modern tourism, a place where century-old factories have found new life, where railroads give way to wineries and breweries, and where visitors can experience a slower pace while still finding plenty to do. Whether you're making the drive from Ohio like we did, or you're already exploring Michigan's harbor country, Three Oaks proves that sometimes the best road trip destinations are the ones you've never heard of. Personally, I enjoyed Froelic's Bakery, Brewster's in New Buffalo, what a wonderful Italian restaurant, the Stray Dog Cafe, the Round Barn Winery. I even visited Hillary Knight DDS to get a tooth fixed. You heard it here first, folks. They're so charming and so friendly. They brought me in and fixed the broken tooth. There you go. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy discovering hidden gems like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next adventure here on North American Talk Radio.